All right, welcome to Casey, sir. How you doing today?
Good. How are you doing today?
Great, man.
Good. My name's Brad. I'm from Spartanburg. I called about the $2,500 order. Me and some buddies are getting together and trying to put on a show.
Oh, yeah. It was good talking to you earlier, man. Welcome to Casey's Fireworks. This is our 71st year, so Thanks for helping us celebrate with style.
Anytime. Y'all got a lot of stuff here.
Yeah, so we got this list for you right here. We actually put it together, the whole show for you, so let's go pick it out.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Sounds good. I guess we'll need a cart, I'd say.
Yeah, for sure. Let's go ahead and get that.
Get a cart. I think we need a bigger one. How about this one over here?
All right. Big order, big cart, right?
Yes, sir. Y'all ready for a big show?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. So first things first, we'll get the Uncle Sam, and that's straight ahead.
Perfect.
We got the Uncle Sam. All right. We got the Uncle Sam right here. This is a 3-inch rack.
Perfect. These look great.
Yep, we're about the only store that carries those around here.
Wow.
Yes, sir. That'll be a good finale right there.
Awesome.
And then we got 4 honey badgers for you.
All right.
You pick 4 of these right here. Honey badgers are some of the best finales in the store. And what you're gonna want to do is save those for the end, and you shoot 4 of them at the same time.
Sweet.
And it's gonna be fantastic.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Loyal to none. A 500-gram shell over here. Get one of those loyal to nuns right there.
Yeah, this looks sweet.
Save that for near the end as well.
Alrighty.
A scorpion as well. We got a scorpion over here. Got a scorpion right there. That's a great shell every year.
Yeah, cool box too.
Yep, got the hologram box. And people couldn't get enough of those, so we had to order more.
Awesome. That'll be exciting.
Yeah, man. We got the flashbang over here.
Sweet. You said 1 or 2?
Get 1 flashbang. Yep. 5-inch Nishiki blast. Let's get one of those over here. Nishiki blast. Yes, sir.
All right.
We got shocker shells. Get 4 of those packs right here.
Okay. Oh wow, these are huge.
Yeah, those are the 6-inch shells, so the biggest that we have on the market.
Oh wow. That'll be fun. 2. And then 4.
You got a 24 pack of shocker shells. Whew. And they're going viral on the internet.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yep.
Make sure to shock Spartanburg with these.
Yeah, man. You guys shooting these off in the country?
Yes, sir.
That's great.
Yes, sir. You know how Spartanburg is.
Yeah. Actually, get a rock star from back here first.
Okay.
Get a rock star. Those are really great shell. It's the V cake, so it's the full spread of the sky.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool.
Yes, sir.
Different little shaped box.
Oh yeah. Lucille's over in this area. I want to grab a Lucille.
All right.
Here we go.
Sweet.
Got the Lucille's right here. Grab one of those.
Perfect.
And let's see, while we're here, we can grab some shaman as well.
All right.
Let's see. We got 4 shamans for a finale.
Oh wow. All right.
So we're gonna grab 4 of those. Shoot those after your honey badgers, okay?
Alrighty. I'm gonna take these over.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right, and we'll keep going from there.
Sweet.
And we got 2 of these Baba Yagas.
All right.
Let's see, where are they?
Those are
Yeah, Baba Yagas right here. Those are some of the freshest on the market.
sweet.
You can see the displays on the side of those. They're wicked.
Oh yeah. That
Yes,
is a
sir.
cool box. Got our new cart here.
Yep, got a new cart because we filled up the last cart. Crazy Aces and American Praying. Get one of these Crazy Aces right here.
It's a cool box. Nice and generic.
Oh yeah, that's flashing fireworks, and those are brand new.
Awesome.
Those are amazing. They're white and red and all sorts of different colors. 10 big old shots, 500 grams.
Wow.
America Praying, which is straight ahead. Over here. You can get over there.
Sweet. Oh yeah, it's a big box right here.
Oh yeah.
118 shots.
That's a finale.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right, we got 2 of these Fighting Roosters.
All right. Go Gamecocks.
Yeah, man, go Cox.
As always.
Yes, sir. That's Southern Pride right there.
That is.
All right, got 2 Texas Rattlesnakes.
All right. These guys right here.
Oh yeah,
Sweet.
you saw those on the way in.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Cool box for sure.
Oh yeah. So right over here we had the pigskin 2 for 75 deal.
Sweet.
They were 2 for 80. You can grab a pigskin, a give and back right here.
Sweet.
Grab one of those.
Yeah.
And we need 1 Wild Ride, 73 shot,
Oh wow.
and a Rapid Rage.
Page.
Yep, Rapid Rampage.
Come on.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
Sweet. Yeah, these look sweet.
Yeah,
Lots
man.
of shots.
You're gonna have a heck of a show right
I
here.
know.
People
Even
are,
more than I thought.
yeah,
Casey's is hooking me up.
yeah, man. You know where to shop at by now.
Absolutely. Always.
All right. Get 2 Phoenix returns.
Sweet.
These have a big scream when they go up in the air, real loud, but they got a really big colorful effect too.
Awesome. Oh, yeah. Oh, sweet.
Black Angel as well.
Box.
Yep, the packaging just keeps getting better and better.
Oh, yeah. Gotten that one.
We need, yep, 4 Guerrilla Warfare. You can grab 1 from right here.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
That's 1. Save these for the end as well.
Okay.
We got a lot of 4-shot finales for you. So
All right. Awesome.
if you do these 4x4 at the end, it's just going to be the most stellar show.
Sweet. Awesome. Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Got some Guerrilla Warfares over here. Let's see. Here we are. Found this secret stash.
All right. These 3 right here.
Get 3 of those bad boys.
All right.
You get 2, I'll get 1.
All right. Good.
All right.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Boom.
Grab that one for you. Yeah, it's a lot of powder in there. And let's get a 2 minutes to midnight as well. Yes, sir. That'll be a great finale as well.
Awesome.
It's about a 2-minute show.
Wow.
Save that one about 2 minutes before midnight.
Okay.
You'll be good.
That's pretty long for a firework compared to the rest, correct?
Yeah. 2 minutes is a long time for fireworks.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah, you
It looks like a good value, man.
definitely won't be counting the seconds. You'll be counting the explosions.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. And we got the free ones for you now.
Okay. Awesome.
Go over here. We got the magics for you. We got 4 of those for free.
Sweet.
That's a $200 value.
Wow. If I can get all these.
I'll grab one for you.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So 2 free overdrives and 2 free lock it ups. and one Ghost in the Machines over there for free behind you.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate that.
Yeah, man. Got to hook you up at Casey's Fireworks.
Yes, sir. You want to grab that one?
Yeah, I'll grab the Ghost in the Machines for you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Here we go. Got our stash.
Our whole big stash here.
Yeah, man. You got enough fireworks for 2 families, 3 families
I
here.
might need a U-Haul.
Yeah. So here we go.
All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to say a big thank you to Casey's Fireworks for helping me set up this $2,500 show. Staff couldn't have been more helpful and kind to me, even through on the phone. So definitely come check them out. They got plenty of fireworks to fit any of your needs. Yeah, thank you.
All right, Brad. Don't have too much fun, right?
Try not to. Just a slight bit of fireworks.
Yeah.
We'll see.